Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My good name is Violet_Carl. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare the green bananas, which is called matoke in African way. Mostly matokes we eat here in Africa, like Ugandans, we have Tanzanians and Kenyans. So this is a staple food for most of the Ugandans, and they really like it so much. They can eat it every day. But here in Kenya, we eat it like most people don't eat it every day because our staple food is mostly ugali. I'm gonna cut into small pieces, then remain with the inner part. So hiyo ya ndani ndio watu kula, as can see guys. So acha nimalizie, then I'm going to show you how we do it after that. So I will mix it with the potatoes. So I'm going to chop the potatoes into smaller pieces and boil it together with the matoke. Let me give you some of the healthy benefits of eating matoke. So matoke is a starch vegetables and it's high in carbohydrates that gives a lot of energy. It contains a lot of water to stop us from getting dehydrated and therefore keeps our bodies working properly. Matoke also contains a lot of potassium and vitamin A, vitamin 6 and C. So guys, it's so healthy and it contains a lot of benefits in our body. So don't ignore eating matoke. You can decide to fry it, mix it with the meat, or you can eat it with vegetables, the green vegetables. Like for me, I'm gonna eat it with the tomatoes, and like me, I'm gonna show you how I will fry it with the tomatoes and the onions. Therefore it will be so sweet and I will really enjoy eating what I've cooked. Yes guys. So let's light up the gas. After lighting, we are gonna boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. After boiling, I'm gonna show you how I will fry onions and tomatoes. Then I'll mix it with our mixture. Yes, so guys, enjoy the video till the end. Yes, we're gonna do it step by step. Finally guys, it's time to serve. Wow, it looks so yummy and tasty. So from the look, as you can see, we are gonna eat and feed our stomach. So we have come to the end of our today's video. See you in my next video guys. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye guys for now, and let me enjoy eating. Yes, bye guys.